What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the Two Motos channel. As you can see, I'm filthy, sweaty in the garage here. Unfortunately for me, I had to pull the transmission on the Eclipse. But fortunately for you guys, because I had to drop the transmission, I had to pull the axles out, which gave me the perfect opportunity to remake my video talking about CV axles, how to not order the wrong size for your car. So I'm really happy that I get the opportunity to make this video for you guys because it's so crucial. And if you do what I tell you to do in this video, you'll never run into that problem again. So for some cars, as you know, we got some CV axles. This one here is my driver's side. It's shorter. This one is my passenger side and it's very long. What I'm about to show you works on both of them. Know what side you're replacing when you're ordering. If you're ordering driver's side, make sure you order driver's side. If you're ordering passenger side, make sure you order passenger side, because I've made that mistake and it sucked. Let me show you really quick. When you guys go online and you're searching for a new CV axle because your axle boot ripped or something happened to where your axle just needs to be simply replaced, well, what you're gonna see is a whole bunch of axles and a whole bunch of different options that all say that they fit your car. But what you really need to pay attention to is that there is one specific specification that is listed for the CV axles, and that is called compressed length. Now, in my previous video, I may have just said to measure the end to end of the axle, but that's incorrect because they don't tell you the length of it uncompressed. They only tell you the length of it compressed. And what is compressed? Well, the axle has some play. As you can see, I can push it in. And it's mainly only on the side that goes into the transmission is what compresses. This side a little bit as well, but as you can see, there's a lot more movement on the spline side that goes into the transmission. So what you want to do, it's not difficult, but it takes a little finagling, but you're gonna want to somehow compress the axle as much as you can and then measure it from end to end. It's gonna be hard doing it by yourself, but if you butt it up against the wall or something like that, which I'll show you in a second, if you butt it up like that, measure it and get right in the ballpark, get a good number, accurate as can be, write that down, and then you'll go online and look for the one that you need. Now I say get it in the ballpark because I measured mine on my own and I got myself a number, but I went online and none of the options were exactly the number that I measured. So what do? You just pick the one that is closest to the number that you got. The measurements are going to be not in millimeters, but they're going to be, I guess you call it standard. So it's going to be a number in a fraction. So it's really weird if you're not used to that. So let me show you how to measure it. All right, here we go. We're going to measure it. Super simple. I have a battery here. That's what I'm going to use to push up against to help compress the axle. You can use a wall or whatever the heck you like, or if you have somebody around that can just hold it for you, that'd be even better. Press it in. It doesn't take a lot. I'm gonna press it in, get my tape out, boom, press it up against the battery, just shy of 25 and a half. And just so you guys can see the difference, uncompressed, just past 26, stretched out, fully stretched. She's sitting at like 26 and a half. So a whole inch difference. Now, don't be like, oh, it's only an inch difference, I don't have to compress it and measure it. Nope, just compress it and measure it like I did, and you'll find a number that's as close as to what you measured. So I measured just about 25, either 25 and a half. I'll find something that will either be spot on or literally like right there, plus or minus. So it's as simple as that, fellas and ladies. That's all there is to it, guys. That's all you gotta do. Just make sure that you compress the axle and measure it. You never want to order one without taking the one that's off of the car and measuring that one, because that one already fits the car, so you know if you measure that one, it's gonna work. But just ordering one offline without getting a reference measurement from anything is a shot in the dark, and it's really a pain in the butt. You're gonna order it, wait time to get it, try to put it in, you're gonna waste a couple hours trying to force it in and then realize, hey, it's never gonna work. Why? Because it's not the right size. So I hope this helped you guys out. It seems to be a pretty common problem, as a lot of people have been commenting on my old videos saying like, man, I've been through this, man, oh my God. Like, yeah, I've been there and it's not fun. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. I still have to put up the Montana road trip with the Eclipse. It's just so freaking crazy that, like, get back from the trip and then all these problems start happening. The clutch line to the slave cylinder went out. Now my clutch broke again. I'm super blessed though. None of these problems happened on the road trip, and they all happened right here at home. So anyways, that's another video, another time. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.